Hey you, like spaghetti? Me too, everybody loves spaghetti. It's the food of kings, queens and college students who just finished exams. You can't be sad eating spaghetti, it's scientifically impossible. Trust me, I asked a scientist once, or maybe it was a squirrel. Anyway, let's make some spaghetti. First we need tools. Don't worry, you won't need a blowtorch unless you're really committed to al dente. Grab a big pot, we're talking Big Bertha big. This isn't a time for a tiny tea kettle. Next, a colander. It's like a strainer, but for things that are way more fun than juice pulp, you'll need a wooden spoon. It's the law. I don't make the rules, folks. I just make the spaghetti. Act 1, the water ballet. Fill that Big Bertha with water, like a lot of water. Add salt. Why? Because even water needs to feel fancy sometimes. Now, let it boil, like really boil. Think bubbling cauldron in a Disney movie. Act 2, the noodle plunge. Gently place your spaghetti in the water. It might look like too much. It's not. Trust me, it'll shrink faster than free pizza at an office party. Stir it occasionally. We don't want any noodles sticking together, unless you're making a spaghetti sculpture. Then by all means, let them stick. Act 3, the great drain. After 8 to 10 minutes, or whatever the package says, I don't know what type of pasta you're using, it's time. Carefully pour the spaghetti into the colander. Avoid splashing. Hot water is not a beauty treatment, unless you're a lobster. Then again, what do I know? I'm just here for the laughs. Section 4. Spaghetti sins, confessions of a pasta eater. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Number 1, don't overcook the spaghetti. Mushy noodles are a crime against humanity. Number 2, don't rinse the pasta. You'll wash away all the good starch. We need that starch, people. It helps the sauce cling to the noodles like a baby koala to its mama. Section 5. Carbs, glorious carbs. Congratulations, you did it. Now add your favorite sauce, some Parmesan cheese, the good stuff, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. See? I told you, you can't be sad eating spaghetti. You're practically glowing with happiness. You're welcome.